Welcome to our video on the best soil and growing mediums for microgreens. In this video, we will discuss the different types of soil and growing mediums that are best for growing healthy and nutritious microgreens. Before we dive into the best soil and growing mediums for microgreens, let's first understand the difference between the two. Soil is a natural mixture of organic and inorganic materials, while a growing medium is a soilless mixture of ingredients that are used to grow plants. When it comes to soil for microgreens, it is important to use a lightweight and well-draining soil, such as a seed-starting mix or a peat-based soil. These types of soils help to promote healthy root growth and prevent the soil from becoming too compact. If you prefer a soilless growing medium for your microgreens, there are several great options to choose from. Coco coir, vermiculite, and perlite are all excellent choices as they provide good drainage and aeration for the plants. In addition, they are all lightweight and easy to handle. And that's a wrap on our video about the best soil and growing mediums for microgreens. Whether you prefer to use soil or a soilless growing medium, there are plenty of options available that can help you grow healthy and nutritious microgreens at home.